Hi everyone, welcome back to Future Math Lab. I'm Luke. In our previous lessons, we learned about prime and composite numbers, and we also covered exponents. Now, why did we learn all of that? It was all leading up to today's topic, prime factorization. Think of it as decoding the DNA of numbers. Just like we have DNA that makes us who we are, every composite number is built from special blocks called prime numbers. Let's find out how to break them down. Before we dive in, we need to understand one key term, prime factor. Simply put, a prime factor is a factor of a number that is also a prime number. Let's take the number 20 as an example. The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Among these, which ones are prime? That's right, 2 and 5. So the prime factors of 20 are 2 and 5. These are the pure atoms that make up the number. Now, what is prime factorization? It's the process of expressing a natural number greater than 1 as a product of its prime factors. Going back to our example, we can write 20 as 2 times 2 times 5. Since 2 is repeated twice, we can use the exponents we learned and write it as 2 squared times 5. This is the unique mathematical DNA of the number 20. There are two main ways to do this. Let's use the number 60 from the textbook. First method is called the factor tree. We branch out like a tree until we hit prime numbers. 60 is 30 times 2. Keep going. 30 is 15 times 2. And 15 is 3 times 5. If you collect all the fruits at the end of the branches, you get 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Or 2 squared times 3 times 5. The second method is called the ladder method. We keep dividing by the smallest primes. 60 divided by 2 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Since 5 is a prime number, we stop here. Multiply the numbers on the left and bottom, and you get the same result, 2 squared times 3 times 5. No matter which method you use, the result is always the same. Now, let's try a real problem from a textbook. Can we find the prime factorization of 189? It looks like a big number, but here's a tip. Add up all the digits. 1 plus 8 plus 9 equal 18. Since 18 is a multiple of 9, 189 must be divisible by 9, or 3. Using our method, we find that 189 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 7. So the DNA of 189 is 3 cubed times 7. Great job! Let's do a bonus challenge. Since the year is 2026, what is the prime factorization of 2026? Leave your answer in the comments below. In the next video, we'll learn how to identify prime numbers even faster using divisibility rules and the square root test. If the video was helpful, please subscribe and like. Thanks for watching and enjoy your studies. Bye bye.